The inaugural Top 50 list of SME Apprenticeship Employers was announced in June of last year. Top of that list was a manufacturer, Lander Tubular Products, a business with apprenticeships firmly rooted in its culture.
It's very rewarding, especially when you've got keen apprentices to pass on your knowledge, to teach them what you know. It's really a great benefit to our company. Going forward, I think they'll be the ones to replace us in the future.
It's a message that we're pushing constantly. This industry is relevant to everything. The word just hasn't been spread far enough or frequently enough.
If you don't like it and it's not for you, then you can obviously go down a different avenue. But manufacturing covers a load of things, so if you don't like one, you can try a different one, and then you can go down that way. So it's better off doing an apprenticeship and having people that will push you towards your skills and will help you progress in what you want to do, rather than just doing something because you believe that's the best thing for you to do.
Especially now I'm in quality, like no day is the same, like it's different. So one day I can have an issue on one thing and then the other days I'll be like sorting out the NCM cage more, like no day is the same here. Now I've came off the production line and moved into there, and I think there's good ways to move up in there.
Manufacturers tell us constantly, skills is a problem. Attracting talent, retaining talent, it's an impossibility for many, particularly for SMEs. Lander, however, seems to have created its own regenerative talent ecosystem through its apprenticeship program.
I think it is a problem for some companies, but if you invest the time and the resource into it and develop it as a program in your factory, you'll get rewards.